Please start, ma'am.
Now we reached the end of this one-week faculty development program on sparking collaborative learning. Let's Go Digital, organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, Chungangade, in collaboration with UGC HRDC, University of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. For the validatory function, I invite Dr. S.S. Sandhya, the FTP coordinator, for delivering the welcome speech. Please, ma'am. Sandhya, ma'am. Yeah.
Good morning and welcome to the validatory function of one-week faculty development program organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri Ayyappa College for Women in collaboration with the UGC HRDC Karyavattam. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for the validatory function of this FDP program. At first, I welcome our beloved principal, Dr. K.V. Jayashree ma'am, who is the advisor, motivator and backbone to all our activities. I welcome you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. K. Meena, Head of the Department of Commerce and the I2SC Coordinator, who gave the platform for us to conduct this program in a successful way. I welcome you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome our beloved resource person, Dr. K. Nasir Ali sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram District. He is also an author and trainer in education technology. He is the center of attraction of our program for the last 6 days. His hands-on training program impressed all of us, sir. On behalf of the organizing team of this FDP program and the Ayyappa College family, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir, for the validatory function.
Thank you.
Finally, I welcome all our dear participants whose support strengthen our program. I welcome you one and all. Also, I take this opportunity to thank the authorities of the UGC HRDC, Director Sir, Sudhir Sir, and the Administrative Officer, Hari Sir, for the collaboration and their support and guidance. Thank you. Once again, I welcome one and all. Thank you for the opportunity, Meera. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I invite Dr. K.V. Jayashree, the principal of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, Chungangade, for the validatory address. Please, ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am, please.
Good morning to all esteemed participants who have virtually connected to this valedictory session of the week-long faculty development program titled Sparkling Collaborative Learning Online, Let's Go Digital, jointly organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri Ayyappa College for Women and Academic Staff College of Academic Staff College, University of Kerala. At the outset, let me extend a warm welcome to all connected online. A week-long vigorous exercise is going to be completed after a few minutes. The goal of this program was to sensitize the participants about the modern methods of computer-based and internet-assisted teaching techniques via collaborative learning. This FDP, organized for the faculty, by the faculty, and of the faculty, became a colorful event with the participation of different stakeholders from different parts of the country. This 1 week-long FDP addressed the various aspects of technology-supported teaching, which will promote student-centric, effective teaching learning pedagogy among the participants. There was a registration of 262 participants for this program from different universities and colleges. I believe that though we are physically separated, this platform helped us to develop a good rapport. Needless to say that the program became 100% successful only by the dedicated bandmaster of the program, Dr. Nasir Ali, MK, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University Center at Malappuram. His endless dedication and patience in hosting this hands-on session is praiseworthy. I would like to express my gratitude to our dear trainer from the bottom of my heart. Friends, as you all know, this FDP is a collaborative effort with UGC HRDC University of Kerala, and only this collaboration that added a golden touch to this program. This institution, presently under the able leadership of Dr. Sudhir, stride towards academic excellence and emerged as the premier institution of its kind in India on the basis of the number of refresher courses, orientation programs, and other academic programs organized. When we approached Dr. Sudhir, director of the center, without any hesitation, he accepted our request and he motivated us and provided all the support and guidance to organize this webinar. My appreciation to you, sir. All the participants attend the sessions with great enthusiasm in all the sessions throughout the week, thus proving learning is not the product of teaching, learning is the product of the activity of the learners. Our college will be proudly grateful to you to have your kind participation in the webinar. I extend my appreciation to all my dear sisters, the organizing team of this FTP, whose tireless work made this a memorable event. Let me remind you the words of Plutarch, Greek historian and biographer. The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. With these warm words and kind message, I conclude my words. Stay safe and take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. It's my pleasure to welcome Dr. Nasir Ali sir for the felicitation. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yamira, Dr. Sandhya, Principal Ma'am of Sri Ayyappa College, and dear participants. We have been together for last 1 week, and it was indeed a pleasure for me also. It was the first activity after the routine works in all our lives to join together virtually, as ma'am rightly mentioned, in the last 7 days. And when the meeting, whether it's virtual or physical, face-to-face, whatever, when it is for the learning, course of learning, it gives us a kind of satisfaction. And especially if the meeting for the learning with the motive of learning satisfies our motives, then again we are feeling grateful, right? So that is what we have been facing during this feeling these last 1 week throughout the program. And though our sessions were just limited to 2 hours or maximum 2.5 hours, or sometimes it went to 3 hours, even after the sessions, live sessions, we were connected to the learning, isn't it? Even I was connected to many of the very enthusiastic participants of this program by WhatsApp and even on calls to clarify their queries. And so it was what I wanted to convey is that though it was limited in time for the live session, the sessions were not limited to any time. Even at midnight, our participants were very much engaged in submitting their works and practicing the things which they learned. And what makes me very much happy is that even when we had an off day and we thought we'll provide a video lesson, and so that our participants will be enriched. And in fact, even that was taken very positively by the participants. When we had no session online, when we provided a material, video material, even participants viewed that. Somebody was telling that they could watch it. They did watch it about 5 hours and simultaneously working on the topic, so they could achieve something. So that way, the teaching fraternity all over the world is being engaged in updating their knowledge skill, and so that they can enrich the lives of their students during this COVID lockdown, or even in post-COVID sessions. And I would like to remind all the participants that we were not discussing some new tools here. We never discussed any new tool, any new online tool which is emerged in last 2 years. We have been discussing some tools which have been there or internet for the last 5+ or 10+ years. Unfortunately, we were not using it in the context of teaching and learning. And I hope this session would have made you, given you a confidence to use it in all your professional context. And again, I strongly believe that the participants who have been actively participating and engaging in this session will definitely be getting a confidence to further confidence to use the technology or tools which they come across in later on. And that way the learning happened during our faculty development program should be a base or should be a stepping stone to the digital world of teaching and learning. And even there are miles to go before we actually reach to the smart to the label smart teachers. I still wish to call all our participants from teaching fraternity uh, to call smart teachers. So dear smart teachers, be smart in your teaching, be smart in using the technology in teaching, and be smart in adopting the methods and strategies for your teaching and learning, whether it is virtual or in real classroom. And we cannot predict when we will have the sessions the way we had the sessions before this COVID lockdown. Even nobody is able to, even the policy makers are unable to give us a date from then we will have the face-to-face classrooms. We are not in a situation to predict anything, isn't it? So that is the lesson the nature has taught us, and the lesson which we wanted to learn from this crisis is that we have to be equipped for facing any kind of situation in our life. It may be, you see, we never had thought of a day where we will teach our students by using uh, any virtual classrooms by sitting uh, in our bedroom or office room in our home. So this was never expected by any teacher, but the teachers who had some digital inertia in the very beginning of this lockdown are forced, at least when the June comes and the government and authority ask them to start the sessions from right from June or like that, from a date, at least through online modes. So those who were not accepting the digital means even when this situation came, are still focused, still forced to use. So now they are also trying to learn. So that way we cannot keep ourselves away from the changes that is happening in our teaching and learning. And I strongly believe, as I already mentioned in some of our sessions, there are lots of changes going to happen in the teaching and learning. And it will be, I'm not telling that when the technology is coming to the field with the prominent roles to the field of education, the teachers will not have any role. My point is not that. My point is that teachers will have more roles when the technology comes. You see, if this situation was not there, we would have been engaged taking the classes in our classroom the way we were taking the classroom without any updation of the skills on us, right? But now you see, our role is just increased only. We have to learn the new skills, and we have to enhance our knowledge, skills, etc. And so that through this enhanced knowledge, we want to facilitate the students. So our role will be increased, and we will have lots of works when the technology comes. And the thing is, the teachers, like any other professionals, if they are not able to adopt the technology and changes in the field, cannot survive, or even cannot be will not be accepted by our students. So that is what the reality is. And I would like to congratulate all the participants who have actively participated in live session, who have been very keen in submitting assignments on time, who were tremendously doing efforts for making some changes in their lives through this program. And I would like to congratulate the coordinators of the program, and I would like to thank the authority of UGC HRDC for collaborating with this program with Sri Ayyappa College for Women. And I'm very much happy, and I'm very much grateful to you all for inviting me as a resource person, and for giving me the freedom to choose the topics, the style of teaching, and to provide the topics for assignments, etc. And I would like to tell my heartfelt gratitude to you all for cooperating with me, especially when on one day when we had some technical issues. So without any hesitation, everybody extended their supports to me, so that I never felt bad, and so that we could make that session in the next day. So thank you very much. Please be in touch with me. Please pray for me and my family also. I'll be praying for you and your families, and I will extend my support to you even after this program. If you are having any need, you can contact me, and if possible, I'll be helping you out. Otherwise, I'll be learning from your queries and needs. Thank you very much. And may I once again call you all as the smart teachers. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Now I invite Dr. K. Meena, the IQAC coordinator of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, for giving the program outcome. Welcome you, ma'am. Meena, ma'am.
Good morning. Respected resource person, Dr. Nasir Ali, Assistant Professor, Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram, Kerala. Respected principal, organizers of this one-week faculty development program, and dear participants. First of all, let me congratulate the organizers, Dr. S.S. Sandhya and Dr. M.R. Meera of Sri Ayyappa College, for arranging this valuable and very insightful program of ICT on teaching and learning. It opened up new avenues for the participants to reach out to the students and continue in our mission, even and after this pandemic. Sir, your session proved to be an eye-opening for most of the participants, and they got an opportunity to learn about more effective means of collaborative work through Google App. You taught them so many tips and tricks that would not only save time, but will also channel their efforts and energy into more perfectful work. Thank you, sir. I extend my thanks to Dr. S.V. Sudhir, Director of Staff Academic College, Thiruvananthapuram, for his support. I thank all the participants for your support and cooperation. Once again, I thank the coordinators and best wishes to all the participants. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now we move to the feedback session. It's my pleasure to welcome my friends. First of all, I invite Dr. Mayuri Joshi, the Assistant Professor, Maharashtra College of Arts and Science and Commerce. Welcome you, ma'am. Dr.
Everyone, I'm Dr. Mayuri Joshi from Maharashtra College. With immense pleasure and gratitude, I would like to thank IQAC cell of Sri Ayyappa College for women organizing this one-week faculty development program on sparkling collaboration, learning, online. Let us go digital. In collaboration with UGC HRDC, University Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. This program was very inclusive, highly engaging, and one of the most diverse learning and networking experience. Post undergoing structural learning from our resource person, Assistant Professor Nasir Ali, we have built the confidence in preparing Google Form, Google Document, Classroom, Google Classroom, Google Slideshow, Excel sheet, sharing link, how to prepare blog and post in blog, video making, etc. He also patiently addressed all the queries raised by the participant on the virtual platform, Once again, on behalf of all the faculty members of this group, I would like to thank Professor Nasir Ali, Dr. Meera, all the coordinator, co-coordinator, conveyor for such a wonderful virtual program. I am sure we all participants would certainly miss this program, which we were anxiously attending during the last 7 days. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless us very well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Brijesh Kumar.
Sir, Dr. Brijesh Kumar Roy, Assistant Professor, Dr. Shakuntala Mishra, National Rehabilitation University, Lucknow, for the feedback session. Dr. Brijesh Kumar Roy.
Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Brijesh Kumar Roy, Assistant Professor, Dr. Shakuntala Mishra, National Rehabilitation University, Lucknow. First of all, I am thankful to the organizer, Sri Appa College, for conducting this useful 7 days FDP program. Since we have direction to go straight to our beneficial, so I am saying that before joining this course, I have a little bit awareness about the tools, means Google Classroom, blogs, Sheets, Google Forms. But after 7 days, I have confident now, and now I'm using these tools in conducting the class. Yesterday, I have assigned a classroom. I conducted a Google Classroom. So this is only because of the resource person, Dr. Nasir Ali. He is a fantastic resource person. He has a very good knowledge, a deep knowledge of all. Dr. Nasir Ali has both the skills. He has knowledge and very easily transferred to us. So I am very beneficial from this 7 days program. It helps me a lot to have confidence in using these Google tools. This is not new things, as a resource person told me, but for me it was new. I was only aware, but now I have a confidence, and now I'm using this. So this program helped me a lot. I am again very thankful to Dr. Armina and committee for giving me opportunity to participate in this program. And again request you to please arrange such another program. I'm having resource person, Dr. Nasir Ali. I would like to participate again. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to have my views. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Dr. Alka. Dr. Alka Rani.
Hello.
Yes.
A very good evening to all. Myself, Dr. Alka Rani Agrawal from NKBMG College.
Ma'am, you are having some network issues.
Chandosi, Uttar Pradesh. I am associate for joining this faculty development program not to require some critical learning skill has fulfilled my aim. Our resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali, an eminent faculty in Aligarh Muslim University Center at
Ma'am, you are having some network issues.
Malapuram, author of many internationally about various tools of educational civil within the duration of 7 days, and that too in a very effective and easy manner. He is not only a skilled person, an expert of e-learning platforms, but also very soft spoken. Simple and friendly to all participants. Program coordinator, Dr. Meera, she is very learned and safe.
Dr. Alka ma'am had some network issues, so we couldn't hear ma'am properly. Dr. Narendra Kumar.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
I am from Central University of Rajasthan. And our authority has asked us to be prepared for the online classes since 15th of July for this semester students. Then this FDP program will definitely be very good for all the faculty members, because in coming semester, most of the universities will ask to the teachers to engage their students with online mode. Then by having this knowledge of this last 1 week session, we had a lot of first-hand experiences by the assignments given by Dr. Nasir Ali to all of us. Then we definitely have the proper knowledge of Google Classrooms and blogs and Google Docs, Excel sheets, video editing. Before this FDP program, we did not have much experience of online tools. I am sure all of the faculty members of different institutions and universities will be having this knowledge in their coming teaching learning sessions in their university by online modes. Thank you very much.
Dr. Suguna.
Good morning, sir. I'm
Good
Dr.
morning.
Suguna Basavarash, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College for Women, Raichur, Karnataka. I am the participant of this online faculty development program on the theme Sparking Collaborative Learning Online. Let's Go Digital. It is organized from 4th June to 10 June 2020 by Sri Ayyappa College for Women and in collaboration with the UGC HRDC, Kerala University, Thiruvananthapuram. Really, it's a nice and it's a very contemporary and innovative FDP program. So from this program, we learn so many skills and so we learn so much of knowledge regarding the development of e-content, creation of website and creation of classroom, preparation of Google spreadsheet, and creation of blog and video recording and video editing. Really, all the practical sessions were highly educative and effective and resourceful. So I would like to thank Sri Ayyappa College for Women and even UGC HRDC, Kerala University, Thiruvananthapuram. And I really admire and appreciate the resource person, Sri Nasir Ali, for his valuable and wonderful teaching methods and skills and talents. I would like to thank him for his support and encouragement throughout the FDP program. I have words of gratitude towards Dr. K.V. Jayashree, the principal, Ayyappa College for Women, and Dr. Sudhir, Director, UGC HRDC, Kerala University, Thiruvananthapuram, and IQAC Coordinator, Dr. Meena, and the Program Coordinator, Dr. Meera, and Dr. Sandhya, for their cooperation and communication and contribution toward the program. Really, I also thank all the participants for their encouragement and support throughout the course. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Kantini. How to pronounce the name? I don't know. Yes, please.
Sanal Kumar?
Yes, sir. Please.
Oh, sir. So I am Sanal Kumar. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Instrumentation in NSS College, Nimmaga, Palakkad, in the state of Kerala. First of all, I like to say that the FDP was very informative, and the most important thing is that it is conducted in a very systematic and professional way. I am very much impressed about the way you conducted, and all the topics were relevant. And I don't like to repeat all the things. All the topics are relevant. And one small suggestion here: next time when you conduct, you please include Moodle also, because Moodle have a lot of features, extra features that because most popular LMS is Moodle. Apart from Google Classroom, it's very having a lot of extra features also. And I was also an IT person. I worked in so many multinational companies for 8 years. So I learned the important features of Moodle. So please include Moodle also. That's my own only one suggestion. And I would like to thank you, sir, Nasir Ali, sir, for your great effort and your great knowledge in this area. I don't know your subject, everything, but your good knowledge in these teaching materials, everything. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the coordinate also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sunil. And to add, I have to tell one more thing. Actually, I have developed one LMS, and I hope it will be an alternative at least to some people in the field of teaching, alternative to the Moodle. And I'm happy to share the news that my LMS is used from today for running a short-term course by a university. Just I was working day and night for the last few days for that. And if your institution wishes to get a copy of that, means you can contact me. Okay, thank you very much. Aruna Kumari, Sudha Rajashekar.
Yes, sir.
Sudha, ma'am.
Sir, very good morning to all of you, sir. Madam, I am
Yes.
Dr. Kumari from Government Degree College, Puttur, Chittoor District, Andhra Pradesh. Really, I am very, very glad to be a part of this faculty development program. I thought this program is Let's Go Digital. I'm very poor. I'm having very poor knowledge about using these apps and computer. But after this 1 week schedule, because of our sincere, committed teacher, Shri Nazir Ali sir, my special and sincere appreciations, applauses to Mr. Nazir Ali sir for his outstanding skills in conducting the sessions very brilliantly, effectively, patiently. He used to not waste a single minute also during sessions. Really appreciations. You have to, he needs and deserves a great applause from all of our participants, because he has gained appreciations from all the hearts of the participants. I am very proud that now I can say that after this 1 week program, I gain knowledge about all these apps. I will definitely practice vigorously, and I use my classroom very effectively. I once again extend my sincere thanks to the organizers for giving me a golden opportunity in participating this faculty development program. Very special thanks to Sri Ayyappa College for Women. Thank you organizers, and special regards to Nazir Ali sir.
Thank
We
you,
are
ma'am.
not regretting about this, participating in this program. We wish to participate many more programs conducted by you, sir.
Thank
We
you.
want to join with you with these programs. Thank you very much, and I will tell my colleagues also to join the programs conducted by you people, especially with Nazir Ali sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sudha, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning all. Actually, before joining this program, I had two challenges in mind. One is that we have already kind of started working, and every alternate day we go to college to conduct university exams. So this 9:30 to 11:30, I was wondering whether I would really be able to, finish this course. And second thing is I am not tech savvy. So I heard about assignments and I was scared that I will not be able to do it, whether I will have the time and whether I will have the skills to do it. But somehow, in the middle of all that, I think I'm feeling quite proud and very happy to have been part of this class. I am really appreciative of you, sir, Nazir Ali sir. You are an amazing teacher. Because as teachers, we are very bad students. We think that we know everything and we are like not a very, good class. So you have this skill of being disciplined and also at the same time being friendly. And most of all, you pick up our doubts and queries very fast and you're able to solve our problems. I think it is because you're very good in your subject and you love what you're doing. I felt more than anything else is this passion that you have, that we should really be able to use technology. And it is not just about this particular class or anything. So what I learned is that every day was a learning experience for me. I learned so many things. I didn't know anything. I had already started online classes from June 1st using, some small videos and all that. But now I started using Google Classroom. I have put assignments, I started using it. And I'm so happy, And also this video recorder is amazing. I think I will be using it more and more because I can use it to make translations of, English videos or translations where students cannot understand, complicated things or even PPTs. I've used it for a PPT already. So I'm quite excited about this whole process. And I'm very happy to have been a student for the last 7 days. I think it is amazing. I'm actually feeling a little sad that it is going to be over now, It was quite thrilling. And the good thing is that when I looked up the list of participants yesterday, this is amazingly all India. And right from Kashmir and Assam to Gujarat and Kanyakumari, every part of India has been involved in this. So this program is really the need of the hour, and all teachers are really, asking for this, and we need this at this point in time. It's most necessary. So this is perfect at this point in time. And I congratulate the organizers, Sri Ayyappa College for Women. I congratulate their effort to bring it to us at this point in time at a national level. And we really need it. I think as far as I'm concerned, I will need more and more practice sessions. And I'm sure I will be bothering Nasir Ali sir. I'm very sure about it. For either on WhatsApp or call, whatever is possible, because somewhere we may still form some, need some help. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you to all the people of Ayyappa College who did this amazing job, and to the University of Kerala. So it was a great experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Shanti. Deban.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
In fact, I'd like to express my gratitude to the organizing college, the principal faculty who had put their efforts together to give us this opportunity, which was right the need of the time as expressed by one of our colleagues just earlier. And in fact, I'd like to share how I feel before and after this training. In fact, when this lockdown happened, and then months ago, 1 month after, we were feeling very helpless, cut off, and actually didn't know what to do. There are a lot of concerns, like syllabus to complete and all that. And suddenly this training has come about, and it has really empowered, enabled, enabled to break the barrier, so to say. And in that, I'd like to especially express my gratitude and thanks to Professor Nasir Ali for taking us by the hand, like it was hands-on training. It took us actually by hand to cross the barrier, the physical barrier that COVID has created for all of us. And it is amazing. Now I'm really enjoying reconnecting with my students through this virtual media. And then trying to recover all that we lost, and it is amazing. And I'd like to thank this technological marvel also, and your expertise of teaching us so effectively, step-by-step processes. Although I'm a beginner, so I was a little slow in catching up, but I will continue to bother you whenever I have difficulties. And thank you for all that, for coming in the right time, helping us out of this our helplessness. And thank you everybody, and thank you Sri Ayyappa College for Women also for organizing this very valuable training for all of us. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Kamaksha Mishra.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning to all. Good morning to the organizers and to Nasir Ali, sir. Sir, I am very, very highly obliged that I have got the opportunity to join this course. And thank you, sir. Thanks for mailing me. I don't know from where I got that email. And when I just explored it, it was from you. And when I just got an access to the course, I thought whether I would be able to do it or not, because it was my first experience, first ever held experience in online learning. So this is the first online course that I've ever joined, and it was a great, inspiring and informative experience for me. I enjoyed learning, though I had my meetings at my institution also. For the first 2 days, some disturbance was there, but after that, I could cope up, and your videos helped a lot. The recordings that were provided by you, and you kept on consistently, you were just putting them in the WhatsApp group, and those videos helped a lot, sir. And I, though I am not a late riser, I can't work at nights, but for this course I worked at night also. And as I am in the educational technology department, working as a senior lecturer in District Institute of Education and Technology, we conduct trainings for teachers, and my department conducts trainings for computer trainings for teachers. And now you have given a confidence that I myself am thinking of designing a course. I don't know whether I'll be able to do it or not, but I think I'll be able to do it. I am confident now that I'll be doing it. And sir, please keep helping. And whenever any such new course comes, do please inform me. I'll be grateful if you'll just give me another opportunity to join you, because you are a wonderful, wonderful teacher, sir. Thanks a lot from the real core of my heart, and thank you. And it was a great experience being with you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Anita Sadish, please make it fast.
Okay, so good morning. First of all, I have to express my gratitude to the conductors of this meeting, that is the Ayyappa College Madam, then this Meera Madam, and of course you, sir. Even though you said that you have to cut short all these saying of gratitude and all, it only shows your character, that is you are just a man of great politeness, and also you are a matter of fact, so you don't like to hear us saying all these good words about you. But in fact, we say it from our bottom of the hearts that we have to express my sense of gratitude. And in fact, I was able to, actually, I did not use that much of these apps in the beginning of the, before the beginning of the classes. But now I just got an awareness of the things that can be done. Even though you mentioned that it is nothing is new here, everything is somewhat older apps only. Even then, you made us aware that such things exist, and we can make use of these things in our practice, in our class sessions. The only thing I have to say is that we have to keep on practicing. Once we lose touch of that, you see, I think we will tend to forget. And I was very much surprised when we saw the roles being revised, myself becoming a student, and I have to listen to the class of others. We are not that much used to these things, you know. We always have the lecturing to others. We have the sense, but now we see our roles are being, and I in fact enjoy. You were able to instill a great confidence in us, and so that we can somewhat progress in this new digital era. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Meera ma'am, over to you. Meera ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's time to propose vote of thanks. Respected Nasir Ali sir, respected principal, dear colleagues, and my friends. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I wish to express my deepest sense of gratitude to our management and principal Dr. K.V. Jayashree for providing encouragement and support for organizing this one-week faculty development program. I, on behalf of the internal quality assurance cells of Sri Ayyappa College for Women Chintankadi, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Honorable Sudhir sir, the Director of UGC HRDC, and Harisa for giving us the opportunity for organizing this on-week faculty development program in collaboration with UGC HRDC, University of Kerala, and also who blessed us with their presence in the inaugural function. Thank you so much, sirs. I must mention our deep sense of gratitude to appreciation to our Dr. Nasir Ali sir for his work and the way he explained the topics were exemplary. No words to express my sincere thanks to you, sir. I, on behalf of the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, Chungangade, and UGC HRDC, University of Kerala, would like to extend a special thank you for inspiring us, sir. I'm very grateful to Dr. K. Meena, IQAC coordinator, and Dr. S. Sandhya, the organizer of the faculty development program, for their effort. And special thanks to all my colleagues for their support and encouragement for organizing this faculty development program. As no program can become successful with a single person, so I extend my big thanks to all the participants for making this event a grand success with their presence and contribution. Thank you all once again. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.